Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use one single webcam in multiple scenes in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your media inputs and overlays are managed. Click on the plus icon to reveal a menu of source options, then select Video Capture Device from the list. This option allows you to add your physical webcam as a source that OBS can use for streaming or recording. A new window will appear asking you to name your source. Go ahead and type something descriptive like webcam in the name field, then click OK to proceed. This name will help you identify the source later when you're working with multiple scenes, so choosing something clear and simple is important. Next, you'll see the Properties window for your video capture device. At the top of this window, you'll find a Device drop-down menu. Click on it and choose your webcam from the list of available devices. This tells OBS which physical camera to pull the video feed from. Once you've selected your webcam, you should immediately see a preview of your camera feed appear in the Properties window. This confirms that OBS has successfully connected to your webcam and is receiving the video signal. After verifying that everything looks good, click OK to finalize this source. Now comes the key step for using your webcam across multiple scenes. Navigate to the Scenes panel and click on the plus icon at the bottom. Then select Add Scene. Click OK to create your new scene. This second scene is where you'll reuse the same webcam source without having to configure it all over again. With your new scene selected, head back to the Sources panel in the bottom left corner. Click the plus icon once again and select Video Capture Device just like before. However, this time instead of creating a brand new source, you'll see an option that says Add Existing. Click the circle beside Add Existing and you'll notice a list appears showing all your previously created sources. From this list, select Webcam, which is the source you added earlier in your first scene. Then click OK to add it to your current scene, and that's it. Now both of your scenes are using the exact same webcam feed without any duplication or extra setup. This method ensures your camera settings remain consistent across all scenes and saves system resources since OBS only has to process one camera feed instead of multiple instances. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.